Hello friends, let us make two very special gluten-free dishes today. One is chatpata and tangy and the other is sweet and tempting. The base dough which we are using is same for both. So it's two hits with a single bullet and can be made simultaneously. We need 4 cups fine rice flour for this. It should be very smooth and fine ground. 2 teaspoons of salt. First, we mix in salt to rice flour, and then with boiling water, the temperature is very important. With boiling water, we mix in water and try to make a dough. We just mix it in and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Covered so that it cools down enough to handle. After 15-20 minutes we will knead it to a smooth dough, and after kneading this we will add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil on it. I have used coconut oil here, any oil can be used. Now this is my save maker or idiyappam maker. Brush the insides of the save maker with any oil of your liking so that the dough does not stick. I'll use this to make our dishes today. Keep the dough covered at all times when you are not using it so that it does not dry out. Now this is the stand I will be using to be put in the steamer. For the sweet dish, I have taken freshly grated coconut. If you are using desiccated coconut, please moisturize it with hot water. That will give a very fresh taste to it. Add 2 teaspoons of jeera, and this is jaggery powder I am using. 4 to 5 teaspoons of jaggery powder or even jaggery concoction will do. Mix this thoroughly and keep it aside. This is to be used for the sweet dish. For the chatpata idiyappam, I have taken 2 teaspoons grated garlic, 3 tablespoons grated ginger, 6 tablespoons finely cut green chili, 1 cup finely cut onion, 1 cup fresh dhania leaves, 2 sprigs curry leaves. These are all as per your taste liking. For the sweet version, now what I have done is press out the noodles onto banana leaves or oiled molds and fill the sweet coconut mix into it and cover with another noodle layer. Steam for 20 minutes and cool it. Serve with more coconut mix and coconut milk or plain malai as per one's liking. Now for the savory, we will just make plain noodles and pull apart the strands and keep it aside for later use. Roast peanuts, raisins and cashews in ghee and keep them aside. I have added 3 teaspoons of coconut oil and let the mustard seeds splutter. Then add dry urad dal, 4 teaspoons. Add ginger, garlic, green chilies, onion and curry leaves and saute them. Add 2 teaspoons turmeric powder, enough salt to taste, and then add noodle strands. Add freshly grated coconut, chopped dhania leaves and roasted nuts which we had kept aside. Mix it all in and add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice for that tangy punch. Please do make these 2 stunning dishes and serve them to your family, who themselves will be surprised at your expertise. Please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more recipes. Thank you.